Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am going to use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the color Light Brunette to fill in my eyebrows. To clean up my brows, I am going to use my Eyebrow concealer in the color Light Eyebrow. To blend out my concealer, I am going to use a wet beauty sponge by Real Techniques. I am going to use my 35OM Morphe palette. I am going to take the darkest shade with an angle brush to fill in the end of my eyebrow. Now I am going to brighten up my face with my Physicians Formula Rose All Day. To prime my face, I am going to use my Maybelline Master Prime to blur and redness control. To prep my lid, I am going to use my Eyebrow concealer in Light Ivory. To blend my concealer, I am going to take my BH Cosmetics brush. To set my concealer, I am going to take my Infallible Pro Matte Finishing Powder. I am using my Elsa palette by Beauty Creations. I am going to take the lightest blue and use it as my transition shade. I am using a blending brush by BH Cosmetics. I am using that same palette. I am taking a darker blue and putting it on the crease of my eye. Now I am going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette and I am going to mix in those two darker blue shades and putting them on the outer V of my eye, working my way up. I am taking that same palette using a darker shade of purple, blending it on the outer V of my eye, bringing it up and blending it with my previous shadows. I am using a BH Cosmetics blending brush and I am going to take my Ariel palette by Beauty Creations, using the black eyeshadow, packing it on the outer V of my eye and working my way to a darker color. With a flat brush, we are going to clean up our eye and create a crease. I am taking my LA Girl concealer. I am going to use the same black eyeshadow that I used previously and blend it with my crease so my crease won't look too harsh. With a flat brush, I am going to take a shimmery blue from my Elsa palette and packing it on my lid. I am going to use my Beauty Creations loose glitter in the name Aqua, but first I am going to use my glitter primer by Beauty Creations and applying it on my lid. With a flat brush, I am going to slowly start packing on the glitter on my eyelid. Off camera, I finished doing both of my eyes. I also did my eyeliner and I used my BH Cosmetics liquid black liner. With a wet beauty sponge, I am using my Maybelline foundation in the number 120, which is Classic Ivory. For my under eyes, I am taking my LA Girl concealer in the color Light Ivory. With a wet beauty sponge, I am going to blend my concealer. To set my face, I am going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I am wetting my beauty sponge because I get better results and my face feels so much smoother when I do that. I am using my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. I am using an angle brush to blend my contour. With that same brush, I am going to contour my nose. am going to take my BH Cosmetics blush palette and I am going to use that light pink shade on my cheeks. I am using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I am going to take that blue shadow and blend it on my under eye. Now with a flat angle brush, I am going to take that black shadow and blending it on my under eye as well. Now I am going to use my BH Cosmetics highlighting palette and I am going to use the shade Vivid. I am also going to highlight my nose and the top of my lip. I am also going to place some highlight on the corner of my eye. I am going to use my Ardell Studio Effect lashes in the number 231 with my Duo Lash Glue. I am now curling my lashes and I am going to apply my Maybelline mascara. I popped my lashes off camera, but now I am outlining my lips with my Essence lip liner in the color In the Nude. I am now taking my Milani lip cream in the color Adorable. And that was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video.